Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah.
Smile to Jannah.
We probably remember Elon Musk. A couple of months ago, there was a tweet of his where he said he doesn't mind going to the hellfire. And then everybody, started educating him about what the hellfire is. And what was beautiful was, in the latest podcast, he was asked about God. Do you believe in God? And he said, well, let's hear it from him.
But do you believe in like a God or like a higher power?
Well, something created the universe, or the universe is, here. How did it come to be? You could say whatever caused the universe to come to be is God, or, gods, depending on your view. Philosophy, I think, makes sense, is to go out there and to expand consciousness so that we're better able to answer the questions of like, what is the meaning of life? What is the nature of the universe? Like, how do molecules have consciousness? But somehow we went from a bunch of hydrogen gas and then an assemblage of complex molecules like ourselves that can feel and talk and think. I mean, just if you leave hydrogen out long enough, it starts talking to itself, basically, is what happened here.
As you guys heard, he's saying, look, it's obvious that, what you see around you has a designer. One of the bits that I liked was when he said that the analogy of dead matter giving rise to living matter is like allowing hydrogen to have enough time that it will start talking. And I would even add walking, watching videos and, all sorts of things. I thought that was a pretty good analogy. And he then goes on to say that it's important for us to increase our consciousness. And I would say the same thing. It's very important. And you know what? It's very important to also realize that more. And that's why I honestly believe that even if someone leaves the religion, it might be, part of their journey or whatnot. But when they realize that the more they look into the way things function and life and existence, the more they ponder like the Quran invites us to do, the more they will realize that, the atheist paradigm just does not work. It just does not work. So I genuinely believe that these people that claim, oh, I'm just spiritual, I don't believe in God, they will. Because when they're knocked, like the Quran says that, as we're told as well by Allah and His Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that these very people who claim not to believe in God, when they're drowning or when they're in the problems and hardships that they are in, even they will cry out saying, oh my God. And the thing is, like, you need to ask yourself, like, what is the lifestyle that you're looking at giving you, the atheistic lifestyle? I mean, atheism leads to capitalism. Capitalism leads to nihilism. And if you look at nihilism is exactly this, that somebody that's, doing brain surgery is the same as somebody else that's at home that's just drawing a circle on a circle on a circle on a circle on a circle. The two are the same. There's no right, there's no wrong. There's none of that, mate. You cannot prove that something is right or something is wrong from the atheist paradigm. I've spoken to atheists and they say, look, there's no such thing as objective morality, mate. Just whatever.
Yes, it comes innately from you.
Well, innately, some people want to do some mad stuff. Bestiality, I'm saying, murder, flipping madness, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, look, this is a really interesting time. And also, Elon Musk says that when he was young, he went to learn the Bible and did Hebrew studies.
So you've never practiced any religions?
I was sent to, weirdly, a Hebrew preschool. I'm not Jewish, but my dad sent me there because it was like nearby, and I guess so I was at Hebrew preschool and then Anglican Sunday school.
From this, this should also encourage us to send our kids to madrasa. And sometimes, yes, madrasa may not be telling you the meanings or may not be giving you everything. I mean, that's also something that's unfair as well, that you expect madrasa to cover all of Islam. Just like some don't even go Monday to Friday, some just go Saturday, Sunday, but it does have an impact. In the first 10 years, it's very important that you do educate your children when it comes to these sorts of things. Don't underestimate madrasa, don't underestimate education, Don't underestimate this sort of stuff, guys. Yeah, and Elon Musk is one of many. Yeah, is one of many that will realize that atheism has nothing to offer other than capitalism and nihilism, and is useless. So guys, what we learn from this is if Elon Musk can return or come somewhat in the right direction towards the right path, then you know there is hope for other people as well. Yeah, because atheism hasn't much to offer other than capitalism and nihilism. I mean, let's face it. What do you have to offer? Let's leave it there, guys. Enough said. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum.